I got a girl pregnant and she has a baby now. I'm not sure if the child is mine. You guys are actually not ready for this video. Actually, I am not ready for this video because मैंने थोड़े थोड़े notification से पढ़े लोगों के deep dark secrets, and these secrets are really deep and dark, and they should be just like left somewhere deep only. Let's get started because I don't want to beat around the bush, and I also want to like read it myself even more. We're starting off strong. I saw my roomie and her boyfriend masturbating on video call, and I waited till they finished. It was actually very wise of you to wait until they got done with their deed. I would move out. I would actually just pack my bag and get the fuck out of the place. More power to you. My best friend doesn't know that I love him, even though he has a girlfriend. That sucks on your part, no? Then why do you love him, even though he has a girlfriend? No. See, there's a difference. If they are thinking of being with a girl, or if they're just talking to somebody and you know that they're not in a relationship, then in my opinion, it's still fine to think that, I still have a chance. But if they're in a full blown relationship with somebody and they love each other, then that's bad on your part. I snuck a boy in my room when my parents were out and we cuddled and kissed. I was 16. That's kind of cute. Saw you and your boyfriend in Bangalore? What? Then why did you come and say hi? I hooked up with my cousin for almost a year. Now I regret it. Bro, what is this? Why? This is the third Deep Dark Secret video that I'm doing. Or Abibi, what is this thing about cousins? Like, I just don't understand. Like, how do you look at your cousin in a way ki, you're so hot? Like, ew, you guys are sick in the head. I'm dating a married man who is 28 and I'm just 16 and he's kind of famous too. What? Bhai, do not do that. Okay? He's a married guy. First of all, with you only for one reason and one reason only, because he wants to get into your pants, or maybe he already has. And it doesn't matter if he's famous or if he's fucking Jeff Bezos. It's not okay. It's actually wrong. It's very, very wrong. I am judging you for it, okay? And you're 16. उसके अगेंस्ट केस फाइल हो सकता है. Stop it. You guys stop falling for pedos. I'll tell you, they start with saying that you're so mature for your age. You're not like other girls, and you just feel like, oh my god, that's so true. I'm not like other girls. I'm so mature for my age. A 16-year-old is a 16-year-old. Doesn't matter what all you've gone through, you are still a 16-year-old. So that's fucked. And leave him. I found condoms in my parents' cupboard. Next night, I heard from their room. I don't know if you feel uncomfortable me reading all of this, but I feel uncomfortable reading all of this. I hate it. Like, I can read anything, but anything related to parents, just like, it might be natural, but no, no, no. I don't want to think about it. It's like, it makes me sick. I don't know how dark this is going to be, but I once inserted a carrot in my, and it wasn't pleasurable. What? Why? But I remember there was this one girl who did this and something got stuck and then she had to get a surgery done. Imagine, like, how would you explain? First of all, it's not only going to be a health issue, but what are you going to tell your parents, right? If you have to, like, God forbid, touch wood, that you have to go get a surgery done, आप अपने घर पे क्या बोलोगे? मम्मी इसलिए गाजर लेके आ रही हैं भाई, उनको रायते में डालनी है, आप कहाँ डाल रहे हो इसको? I got my ex's mom's phone number. She was a teacher and told her everything her son did. He doesn't know that. Good. I've also done this before. I would meet my long distance relationship boyfriend for 3 years every month for 3 days, and my fam never knew we met. Lol. Same sister. My sir proposed to me and wants to plan his future with me. ये इतनी हिम्मत कैसे आ रही है टीचर्स में भाई? बहुत हिम्मत है लोगों में, टीचर्स में, कजिन्स में, अंकल्स में. व्हाट? तो फिर आपने क्या बोला उसको? जस्ट रन अवे. इफ यू आर अंडर एज एंड एनी मैन अबव द एज ऑफ 19 says something like this or shows you something like this, run away. ठीक है? Like, इनका टारगेट होता है छोटे बच्चे, छोटी लड़कियां. दैट्स देयर टारगेट, बिकॉज इनको अपनी उम्र की कोई लड़की नहीं मिल रही है, किसी से भाव नहीं मिल रहा है. और क्यों मिलेगा? क्योंकि यूजुअली इनके सेम बैच के लोग या फिर इनकी एज के लोग, दे नो हाउ दे आर. That's the reason why this kind of like to stay away from that guy, and that's why they go digging minors. I fell out of love with my boyfriend and I'm secretly dating his best friend. Don't say my name. I kind of want to say your name, but don't do that, bro. If you're falling out of love with anyone, there are multiple ways of telling them. Even if you don't want to, like, break their heart by saying that, oh, I just don't love you anymore, just lie to them and just break it off. Don't be with them, because that has to hurt more. उनको कभी ना कभी उसको पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है? It's inevitable. You cannot cheat on somebody without them knowing. trust me, even if they don't bring it up, they know that you're cheating on them, and that hurts them even more. Instead of doing any of that, you can just say something like, I want to focus on my studies. Yeah, so it might hurt them, but just be a woman, okay? Woman up and tell them the truth. I dated a guy who got back with his ex right after. Oh, it's okay, soldier. That has to suck really bad. Like, if you know that if they go to this one girl they told you not to worry about right after the breakup, then they've always wanted to get with them. Sorry, I'm sorry to hurt you, but that's just the truth. Like on the spot, भाई अगर कोई बंदा actually आपको पसंद करता है, in my opinion, वो right after relationship किसी और के साथ नहीं चल जाता है. उनके दिमाग में वो बंदा at least for a week or two होता ही है, and that's why they leave you for them. You're a fallen soldier, and I feel bad for you. Someone's asking that this guy never really dated a girl before me. He has just had a lot of hookups with too many girls, but he's sweet to me. What should I do? What if he uses me just like others? I won't let him use me though. Everyone advised me not to date him. Uh, See, of course, no one can tell you what you should do or what you shouldn't, ठीक है? और ऐसे भी अगर कोई आपको मना कर भी देता है तो आप वही करोगे जो आपके मन में आएगा. पर मेरी तरफ से if one advice that you need is that just अपना दिल मत लगाना, ठीक है? Oh my god, this is going to be a little bit TMI and it might be uncomfortable for me. Sometimes when you're with a guy, okay, not in a relationship, just with them doing stuff or whatever, you might think that them being close to you for the time being means a lot to them also, and it's like nice because for us girls we just think that, oh, even a little cuddle after it or a little kiss or something, it's just like means a lot. But for guys it doesn't. Like they're 90% of the guys are just like big turkeys. So just अपना दिल मत लगाना, and you don't let their actions fool you. Okay, oh my god, nahi, he was very sweet to me after we kissed, he was very sweet to me after we did this, we did that. He has to be. That's the bare minimum. Even you would be. It's not like कि अगर आप किसी के साथ कुछ भी कर रहे हो तो आप उनको लात मार दोगे, है ना? So बस अपना दिल मत लगाना. Be very practical about that. I was in the same room and my parents were. फिर आपने मुझे मम्मी पापा की कोई बात बता दी. मैं इतनी बार बोलती हूँ कि I do not want to know घर वालों के secrets, please. आई हैव डन इट ऑन माई टेरेस इन डे लाइट. तो आप में तो बहुत हिम्मत है भाई, मेरे तो यहाँ पे पड़ोसी इतने सारे घूर के देख रहे होते हैं. Whatever, like I've seen a lot of confessions like this that I've done it here, I've done it there. Just be a little careful, okay? Because I don't want you guys to get any urinary tract infection just because you're freaky as fuck. I made out with my best friend fully sober and I also gave her a hickey. LGBT community should be welcoming you. I kissed a girl and I liked it. ये मैं नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगी भाई. I saw my father's tape with another woman in my mom's phone. Oh, I don't even know if this is true or not. Okay, I don't know, guys, if it's true. Like I want to believe that it's not because otherwise मेरे को रातों को नींद नहीं आएगी. जब भी मैं ऐसा पढ़ती हूँ मुझे उस रात को बहुत गंदे सपने आते हैं. Like if it's true, then it's disgusting. I'm sorry, it's really disgusting, and I don't know what I've done to deserve these kind of replies. But thank you for feeling so comfortable कि आप मुझे ये सब बातें बता देते हो. Please hook us up with your dietitian bro. Okay, I'll put her number in the comment section. My 32-year-old uncle kissed me when I was 12 and touched me inappropriately. I hate myself. Tell somebody. Actually, tell somebody. उनके घर में किसी को बता दो, उनकी मम्मी पापा में से किसी को बता दो. Tell somebody. Speak up. ठीक है? Tell your parents. Like speak up. अगर आप नहीं बोलोगे तो वो ऐसे बहुत सारे अलग लोगों के साथ भी कर देंगे. And trust me, once you speak up, once you accept that it's happened, वो आपको घुट घुट के this thing won't kill you. First part of moving on from anything is accepting it. अभी denial में रह के नहीं. I'm really sorry that happened to you though. I have made out with my two female best friends together on a girls' night stay, but I'm straight. I'm gonna hold your hand when I say this. No, you're not straight, girl. You're you're bisexual, and that's okay. Like you don't have to be sad about it. I'm sure it was fun. Mama cheated on Papa a lot. Happened when I was in seventh, and Papa found out and all. I never told anyone. यार ये बहनचोद ये इतना घटिया होता है ना जब इन सिचुएशंस में बच्चे फंस जाते हैं. Why have kids if you're going to ruin them like this? I've had like friends that have gone through similar things, and it's so hard for a kid to just get out of this, because growing up, your parents are it, right? Like you look up to them, like, yeah, I want to be like my mom, I want to be like my dad, or you look up to them as a couple, ki, my god, I want a relationship like this. हर बच्चा ऐसे ही होता है, लाइक उनका पहला रोल मॉडल सबका उनके माँ बाप ही होते हैं, और फिर माँ बाप जाके ये हरकतें कर देते हैं, दैट टू व्हेन द चाइल्ड्स ब्रेन इज डेवलपिंग, एंड आई जस्ट डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड। इट्स ऑल्सो लाइक इट्स आई एम गोइंग अ लिटिल ऑफ टॉपिक। अगर नहीं हो रही है शादी संभाल जा रही है, अगर नहीं लगता है कि यू आर नॉट मच्योर इनफ टू हैव अ किड, देन जस्ट फकिंग डोंट डू इट। दिस ऑफ टॉपिक, बट लेकिन आई वाज वाचिंग गिल्मोर गर्ल्स अगेन दैट द अदर डे, एंड आई रियलाइज दैट जो उसमें लॉरेला है, वो अपनी बच्ची पे इतना प्रेशर डाल देती है। भाई यू आर 32 years old and your kid is 16, like you can't be asking your kid for relationship advice. And I know a lot of parents actually do that, like they depend on their kids so much. It's not supposed to be like that. It's good that you feel like you can depend on your kids, but just fucking grow up, bro. Like be a parent. Like I've seen people जो अपने मम्मी पापा के बीच में मीडिएटर बन के रह गए हैं बच्चे, ठीक है, कि मम्मी ये बोल रही है, पापा ये बोल रही है, उनका डिवोर्स होने वाला है, मैं बीच में हूँ। आप बच्चे का माँ बहने कर रहे हो भाई, just like this is really selfish. I dated two boys at the same time and I was confused about whom to choose. सही है भाई, यहाँ पे एक बंदे से बात करने का टाइम नहीं है और आप पूरी दुनिया को डेट कर रहे हो, और फिर आप चूज भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि आपको किसके साथ रहना है। I have a twin but I got adopted by another family and I never met her again. Wow, that's like a movie. Maybe you'll meet later on. If you manifest enough, then you'll meet her. And I'm sure your parents might have the contact, so you can actually go meet her. Once my father caught me masturbating with a scale. I was 12. मुझे I am speechless. I don't know what to say. Scale? You guys realize that it's not the substitute of what you want it to be, right? What if it just cuts your insides? आ, बस कुछ है ही नहीं कहने को. I have kissed my boyfriend's friends before dating him and he doesn't have any idea. Please hide my name. Oh, if he's asked you और फिर भी आपने नहीं बताया तो गलत है, और अगर उसने नहीं पूछा है तो अगर आप नहीं बताना चाहते because they'll hurt him, then I guess it's fine only, as long as those people don't hang out with him and they know that he doesn't know and all that. Just make sure that your boyfriend's not in a very humiliating situation ever. My dead ex-father keeps contacting me and sending me photos that my ex took of me. I said my self-harm marks were scratch marks due to my allergy. Okay, next one. I once saw my friend's parents doing the deed. They were not even being quiet about it. How do you recover from that? भाई मेरे को नहीं पता भाई, ये सब बातें सुन के मुझे तो कुछ हो जाता है, और why weren't they not being quiet about it? Like you realize that I have, like, there are very less times when I don't have anything to say and I don't have an opinion on something, but something that just leave me like they leave me in shock. मुझे नहीं पता मैं इस बारे में क्या बोलूँ यार. Did you tell your friends, by the way? I want to know that. Next one. My boyfriend cheated on me and I'm still with him. So then you're a very, very stupid bitch. Okay, let me just say that. Why are you so stupid? If somebody's cheated on you, that means that they didn't love you. Period. That has to be the first deal breaker and the biggest deal breaker. Like you can take anything but cheating or them abusing you mentally or physically. That's it. ये चीजें तो भाई पूरी दुनिया में सबसे बिना कम दिमाग वाले लोगों को भी पता है, बट आई नो सम ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स intelligent as fuck, okay, like proper academically, like very very intelligent, but जब उनके बॉयफ्रेंड या गर्लफ्रेंड ने उन पे चीट किया, they're like it's okay, I still love him though. What? You know प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है? प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि आप अगर आपको पता चल गया कि उन्होंने आप पे चीट किया, ऑन द स्पॉट छोड़ दो जब आप गुस्से में हो, बट इफ यू गिव देम अ चांस टू एक्सप्लेन देयर साइड, द थिंग इज you yourself, your heart wants to believe it because you still love them. Of course you're mad at them, but you can't just like fall out of love with somebody like that, you know. So you want to believe their side, so which is why you hear them out and then your brain is like okay, 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 your heart just like wants to be with them, tabhi you're still with him, like. And the fact that you've texted me this, you know it's bad. Agar if it didn't affect you that much, you wouldn't even have put this on my Instagram story, but you have, because you know it's bad. If you're able to like go ahead with your life, and like if you think you still want to marry him, and if you think that आप एक जब मंडप पे बैठे होगे, then you're okay looking at him, and then just like you'll tell yourself that yeah, he is the guy I want to spend my whole life with, then good for you. But agar abhi bhi you have some doubts, then just leave them. Actually, like I am not saying that the people who cheat on you are villains, okay, whatever, even if they're going through some stuff, that's do whatever you want. But if they are cheating on you, then you just pick yourself up, थोड़ा सा self respect रखो, थोड़ा self love रखो, and get the fuck out of that situation, bro. See, you see how triggered I get by listening to all of this stuff. It's just inexcusable, and you guys need to understand that. Next one. When someone gives me their phone to click pictures, I check their gallery and Snapchat. That's fine. That's kind of cute, also. I mean, not cute like that, but whatever. It's not as bad as the ones that I've read right now. I French kissed my aunt's husband's small brother who was 26 at the time, and I was 16. Why you so freaky? Like, I know 16-year-old adolescents में you get all your hormones and everything. Stop going for elder guys. यार I can't. मैं थक चुकी हूँ बोल बोल के कि आप बड़े लोगों के साथ मत जाओ, but I hope that you learned your lesson. Next one. I would go on Omegle and such sites and strip in front of them. I don't know. I discovered I have an exhibition kink. I'm not going to kink shame you, but I am going to judge you a little bit because what you're doing is not okay. You're the kind of people I'm scared of. Every time I go on Omegle, you're the kind of people I'm scared of. Why do you do it? Like, why don't you just find somebody who likes it and do it with them? Why do it with people who are just trying to like make friends on Omegle? Next one. My best friend would go in the school stalls and suck, and once he said, "Do it like her, me." What? किया दिस इज रॉन्ग ऑन सो मेनी लेवल्स. नंबर वन कि उसने आज तो आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को ये बोला, बेस्ट फ्रेंड का दिल टूट गया होगा. नंबर टू, वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड कर क्या रही है. नंबर थ्री, स्कूल में आपको जाने कैसे दे रहे हैं वो हॉल में, क्योंकि मेरे स्कूल में तो लड़के लड़कियों की स्टेयर्स केस भी अलग होता था. नंबर फोर, दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. लाइक ये कर रहे हैं भाई 13-14 साल के बच्चे ये. लाइक मैं भी कुछ बहुत अच्छा तो कर नहीं रही थी 13-14 साल में, बट I should have known that the people who watch my videos and connect with my content, they have to be a little crack in the head. Yeah, there were over 1,000 responses. Okay, I couldn't manage to answer all of them. I was thinking that I will keep doing this deep dark secrets video maybe once every month because लोगों के deep dark secret, I'm telling you, जब मैं scroll कर रही थी ना to choose the questions, I was scrolling for a minute and a half straight and it just didn't end. I'm sorry if I missed your question, and if you want these kind of videos more, then you can tell me. All I want to say is that just don't tell me anything about the parent stuff, okay? Because that like kind of makes me very uncomfortable. Wait, there's another one. Someone who DM'd me. This feels more like a confession. I once dated a guy who was 7 years older than me. When I was 17, he asked me something that stuck with me. He said, "I got a girl pregnant and she has a baby now. I'm not sure if the child is mine. Turns out he is. Would you be willing to raise him with me?" Good that you left him. I can tell that he's your ex, and that's very good. But would you guys tell me? But see, this girl was 17, right? So तब तो मतलब ही नहीं बनता. But would you raise the kid of someone you love if you were in the situation कि the guy you are dating might have a kid with someone else? Do you still be with them? It might not be a politically correct answer, but I can't. If the mom of the child is in the picture, then they will always have this connection. I feel like you would always have to keep fighting for your boyfriend or husband's attention like that. I don't know how I feel about that, but you guys tell me what you would do. Anyway, that was it for this video, and also my phone की storage खत्म होने वाली है, but don't worry, I'm gonna buy a new one very very soon. And I'll see you in my next video. Let me know if you liked it. Bye. Take care, and do not get encouraged. Okay, after watching this video, this is only for shits and giggles, not for taking inspiration from. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Take care.